Hi guys, I want to do a video for you. Any of you who've got EGR or diesel particle filter problems, then this could be the stuff for you. I think you pronounce it dipetane, it could be dipetane. This is a fuel lubricant. You can use it on diesel cars or petrol cars, but it has many different properties and many different benefits. I have a diesel car and I think I was having a DPF, diesel particle filter, which seemed to be misfiring, so I'm guessing it wasn't regenerating properly. So somebody recommended this dipetane to me and I added it to a full tank of petrol, and I must say it's helped immensely. On the journeys it seems to be regenerating absolutely fine now. You get a 1 litre bottle which treats 4 tanks on average, so this will help reducing smoke emissions. Also it cleans the valves, pumps, exhaust and injectors, so that's a good thing. So if your car seems to be experiencing sluggishness or misfires, I'm going to put a link in the description below. If you're from the UK, you can get it in Halfords. You can also get it on Amazon. So yeah, I'm going to put both links down below. If you were having issues and this dipetane has rectified it like it did on my car, please come back, let me know in the comments guys. It'd be great to see if it works for you guys as well as it has for me. But yeah, hope this helps reducing some very big repair bills that these garages may charge. So good luck guys, let me know how you get on.